Alright, what's up guys? Huh? I never close my door all the way until I get out of the car completely. Oh my god, I'm dark. I know I'm dark, but I'm darker than dark. Okay, what's up guys? It is your boy Reggie Wolf, and today we are finally fixing these broke ass fenders of mine. Well, just replacing them. We can't fix them. So these will now be my drift fenders when I do start drifting. And we're gonna start today with this one. There's Chris. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, what's up guys? This is part 2 of the fenders and doors being reinstalled. I didn't really want to shoot the intro, I don't know, fuck it. So let's get into it. So we are about to get rid of this beat up old thing, which amazingly has not messed up my new fender, as you can see. And we're gonna put this one in, which is gonna be a pain in the ass possibly. Hopefully not. Also, this is what we're working with. Thank you, Zach, for holding it up, being the model. But yeah, the guy before us gutted it out, so that's gonna be a pain because now we have to transport everything in there to there.
Then you got one here, one there. You gotta pull the clip out of the handle. This probably just has plastic clips holding it on. And then after that, you pop off.
Alright.
Worried about braking. I'll just send it.
Oh, okay.
Cool. And then these are kind of a pain in the ass. You gotta kind of push the fabric around it inwards, and then there's that little clip in there. You gotta pop out.
With screwdriver or?
Yeah, screwdriver's probably easiest. Where'd it go?
I went your way.
Guess you're not gonna have a.
No, it's here. It's here. It's just not where I can see.
Sure? Didn't turn into a 10mm and disappear?
I hope not. Alright, so that's off now.
Yeah, so now just kind of gently. So best bet is kind of get your hand as close to the clips as you can and just gently pull as close to it as you can so it doesn't rip them out.
Yeah, it didn't break.
Nice. Put that in the passenger seat.
Wait, where's my other, huh?
You've lost the 10mm so
no,
good you lost the whole
on
ratchet.
it's on
Hey,
this
you lost the whole ratchet with your 10mm. Oh, good job.
That should do it.
How? What? Your door's cracked pretty damn.
Huh?
I said your door's cracked pretty good.
I mean, who knows how long it's been fucked up?
Yeah.
Yep, so a little bit of rust on these. Here, bar update. All right, update to shit that we getting done. I'm losing I think a 14 right here, but we got everything out of the door, so it's pretty much.
Your bolts just thrown all over the ground.
Yeah, see, this is what happens when a car guy works on his car. You just get shit spewed everywhere. I don't know what goes to what, but we gonna figure it out. Naked door. Soon to be non-naked door. And without further ado, you guys will see us put this shit back together.
No, never mind, we can do it from out here.
Yo, finally a door that I don't have to lift a little bit to close.
Probably need to oil those.
Hinges.
Actually, just those, like.
There, boom.
Nice.
Everything lined up.
So now throw all your nuts on.
Can't do that. This is going on YouTube. I had to make the joke. It wouldn't be me if I just went that fast.
All right.
It wouldn't be us. Fuck that. Not just me. We both make those jokes. Fourth hole for
For your nuts.
this one.
Yeah, that's the one for your dick.
Oh.
That's why it's so small.
That's the back door hole. Okay, I got you.
Yeah.
I got you. These are the ears. That's the vagina. No, that's the vagina. It's like, wait, didn't you just say that, like, you can't do stuff like that because this is going on YouTube? Yeah, but you know, that's anatomy for you right there. All right. After like 2 hours, how long have we been here?
2.5 hours.
Yes, after 2.5 to 3 hours, we finally got it on. Thank God. I actually have a door that closes smoothly, or mostly. I mean, it's still a 90s car, but why would you embarrass me, car? It is mismatched as shit, as y'all can see. But it's, I mean, it's smooth. It's smoother. I had that door. that door. Focus. Wait. Boom. Yeah, that door. So I'm happy with how things turned out. I got my hands dirty yet again. So without further ado, to everybody who watched this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching it, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.